My name is Vishnu Priya and I have my son Divyansh Saxena, who has been in this school from grade 1 to now he is in grade 10, a 15-year-old, a teenager, and all his foundational years have been in Oak Ridge. We have chosen to be in CBSE. I am a working mother, and through these 10 years that my son's been in this school, it's been extremely rewarding and enriching experience for both of us. Not only both of us, I think even my husband and my second child is also in this school. We moved in from Mumbai to Hyderabad, and when we moved in, my son was really small. He had done a part of grade 1, and when we came here, we were looking around for schools. There were multiple choices that we had, and there were people who suggested various other schools. We did come here and give an examination for his admission, and luckily he got in. So we just went ahead, didn't have much of an opinion at that point in time for the school. As we progressed with the school, and we were skeptical and thought that maybe we will change the school as we progress, we understand the city a little more. But as we progressed and as my son got into the school, as I said, it was grade 1 towards the end of the year. It was not even that he was in the full year in grade 1 here. But his own experience and his own adjustment in the school, and I would say there's a lot that the teachers put in, which is where he could be made to feel comfortable despite the fact that he was not here from P1, PP1, PP2 and so on. So they were already friends and friends had been formed, but he adjusted very well in the school. And the fact that he was enjoying, the thought of changing the school never crossed our mind. Like every parent, I always, whenever I would come for the parent-teacher meeting, when I started out, I would come with quite a lot of nervousness. And as I started my interactions with the teachers, every parent-teacher meeting felt me again much more secure, confident that my child is in the right hands. While I would say my child is a gifted child in general, but for every parent, it is very, very difficult to even come to that level of understanding that my child's doing fine. And the teachers and the interactions that I have had with teachers has always reassured me of that. Every time I would say, is he top 5, top 2, top 1? And they would say, doesn't matter, he's doing his best. And what's important is for him to do his best and not for how does he compare with others. I think that's been one of the things that I have taken away from this school, is play up on your child's strength and do not compare. One of the things that's very important, and that's been very important for me, and I considered it as a big support, has been the fact that I'm a working mother. There are many times when there's a PTM, I'm not able to participate. When there's a sports day, I'm not able to participate. Or when there is a big event that my son's participating in, I'm not there. But what I've really liked, and which has again, every working mother goes through it, is the teachers have never been judgmental about it. They've not said, oh, we didn't see you there, or you were not here, or, this is your child's lagging because you are not available. And that has been very helpful for me because there is, I do believe in today's world, it's very important for children to also see both their parents pursuing what they would like to pursue. And that is not, I've never had my son come back and say, I'm missing out on this because you are not there. And I do see other children gathering this kind of information and coming back and maybe at times complicating life for their parents. But I have not had my children pick this kind of information, at least from school. I'm sure there are many mothers who are sitting home and I really value them for that. But for me, I have not seen any kind of judgment being passed being a working mother, and never felt the pressure. And teachers have been very supportive. The fact that we can reach out to them even beyond a PTM, the fact that we can talk to them whenever there is a need that we have, I think is very, very reassuring. So those are some things which help in interaction and which really help us partner very well with the teachers. And that reflects in how the children perform.